This is the final video to fix Windows Update error code 0x80080005. Are you also facing the problem where Windows Update just won't install updates and gives you error 0x80080005? It can be really frustrating when your system keeps showing errors and you can't get the latest updates. Here's why it happens. This error usually occurs because of corrupted system files, broken Windows Update components, or permission issues that stop updates from completing. You may see a lot of solutions on YouTube or Facebook, but most of them are complicated and hard to follow. When I faced this problem, I found a simple trick that actually works. Here's a normal solution you can try. Open Command Prompt as administrator, then run these commands one by one. dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. sfc/scan now. After that, restart your computer and try updating Windows again. If you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial showing all possible ways to fix Windows Update error 0x80080005, comment down below.